If you're always on the lookout for gardening tips and hacks, this is a good one. The recipe came from a former groundskeeper at a golf course. All you need are 5 common household ingredients and a 10-gallon hose and sprayer. This will make your lawn look as green as a professional golf course. This recipe can be modified slightly depending on the climate you live in, but for areas which have hot climates, it works wonders. And it's a heck of a lot cheaper and more effective than the store-bought mixes. So you're going to need 1 cup of ammonia, 1 cup of liquid dish soap like Dawn dish soap, but do not use antibacterial dishwashing liquid, 1 can of beer, half a cup of mouthwash, any brand will do, and 1 can of cola, but don't use Diet Cola. Mix all the ingredients together and pour them into an empty 10-gallon hose and sprayer. Other sizes will work too. If you didn't know, the 10-gallon hose and sprayer is actually quite small, but enough to fit the undiluted solution into it. You fill the hose and sprayer, attach it to your hose, and turn on the water. The solution is mixed with water as it sprays out, automatically diluting it, and should give you enough for 10 gallons of the diluted mixture. Spray your lawn with the mixture once every few weeks. That's it. Simple, easy, cheap, and very, very effective. But I already know what you're asking. How does this work? Well, here's the science behind the homemade tonic. The liquid soap is a wetting agent, helping the formula penetrate the roots. The ammonia promotes growth and turns your lawn green. The mouthwash does something you would never expect mouthwash would do. It kills the bugs and grubs. The sugar in the soda helps to feed the lawn, hence why you shouldn't use diet soda, and the beer kills the weeds. Also remember not to use antibacterial dishwashing liquid in the mixture, as it'll kill off important microbes in the lawn and soil that help get rid of thatch. As you can see, this lawn remedy essentially messes up the bugs' reproductive cycles and keeps them out of your lawn and makes it look a lot better and leaves it minty fresh. And because it's applied with a hose sprayer, it's directly applied to your lawn. When you don't have a lot of water and you're on watering restrictions, this is a great way to get nutrients into your lawn and keep it growing. So there you have it. It won't be long before the scorching sun will turn your neighbor's new green growth into brown, dry thatch. But with this trusty tonic, your lawn will be greener than ever and look like a PGA golf course. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. I'm sure you're going to enjoy our next video on how to get rid of pests with baking soda. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.